Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olasimbolua Temlor Abiola, also known as Only One Tems. This is my first official video, which is getting to know me. I sent you guys a link asking you to send in your questions, and I'm really grateful for the responses. Like the way you guys support me, I don't understand. I'm grateful. I'm grateful for this opportunity to do this thing because it's not been easy, man. Being in front of the camera, I've done this thing like 30 times, guys. I'm giving up. I basically want to give up, but we have to do what we have to do because this is a big deal for me. Yeah, it's a big deal for me. Before I go into the main questions for today, answering the question section and all those things, I want you guys to look at me well. Don't you notice anything? Like, can't you see? I made my hair, guys. I made my hair. Yeah. This is the first time I'm making my hair this year. And it's a big deal for me. Don't go and say, what you should do. It's a big deal for me. Please let me celebrate my win, please. For those people that just see my face for the first time, I'm actually on low cut and sometimes I use wig, so making my hair is a big deal. Yeah, you should know. You understand that feeling, right? Yep. Hi guys, tomorrow's my birthday. I'm so excited. Let me give you just about this set because if you see this hair on me next month, the next video, the next video after that video, the video after that video till December, understand that I'm broke because I cannot be making my hair every day, every month, or every week, or every 2 weeks because it's a big deal for me. This year I paid £100 for this hair. It's not like there is not nice though. It's nice. I like it, but £100 is a lot. I can't be paying £100 every week or every 2 weeks. How much is my pay? If I give somebody £100, the person will be grateful. If someone give me £100, I'll be telling the person thank you every time. So I can't be doing it every time. Actually, my sister introduced me to this salon. She told me to book online because she has been here for a while. So I booked online and they told me £75 actually. I made a deposit of £25. So when I finished my, I'm supposed to pay £50. So when I got there, before I went there, I sent them a mail asking them, okay, how many attachments am I going to use for my hair now? They now told me that they didn't reply me. They just told me that this is my day, this is the time, and all these things. They reminded me a day before. When I got there, I was like, sorry guys, I sent you a mail asking about an attachment. Like, how many attachments am I supposed to use? How much am I supposed to pay? And they're all looking lost. And I'm like, what's going on? Am I speaking French? Like, oh, sorry, we got your mail, but we really did not get the question. And I'm like, what part? I say attachment. They don't know what attachment is, and I'm like, what are we add to my hair to make the braid? Like, oh, do you mean extension? I'm like, this London, they've taught me so many things. Please, you guys should not make me look as if I'm dumb. I don't know the extension. In Nigeria, attachment that is called for my hairdresser. I choose to understand. So I'm sorry guys. If you know it's extension, I might be new, but me, I don't know. So she told me extension. I'm like, okay, I like the new thing. So guys, if you are like me that is always in attachment too, when you come to the UK or London or anywhere around the world, maybe you should tell them extension first before you tell them attachments, just in case they don't know what attachments is. So I made my hair. At the end of the day, they told me that this length is extra length, so I have to pay extra £20. So plus the attachment, plus the extension money. So everything's like £100. So guys, I don't think I want to be paying £100 every 2 weeks. No. Maybe I'll just go back to my low cut or wear my wig. So you guys, anyway, accept me the way I am because this is lifestyle without limit. No limit though. And if you guys notice, I'm not on makeup and my face is breaking out and not really looking nice. I'm really sure about that because I don't know. My face just suddenly start breaking out close to my birthday. I don't know. I've been sad, but I was thinking, how will I make this video? I was thinking, should I put on makeup? Should I? But I felt like I told you guys it's lifestyle without limits. So you guys are going to be going with me with this journey of this my face, of my lifestyle. So I decided to like show you the way I am. Maybe by the next time I make another video, maybe the face will be better because I've started using a particular skincare routine and all. Maybe my face is not better. Maybe one company will sign me and say, our face was like this before, but now it's like this. So let's go to the content of today. So the first question is, where do I live? I live in Camberwell, London. Where am I from? Ijebu-Ode, Ogun State. Born on Jos side, Abibale side, one of those two. We are everywhere in Ijebu-Ode. What do I like to do for fun? Actually, I'm more comfortable talking to my friends, hanging out with them, going to the cinema. So basically, that's what I do for fun. I like swimming too, but I don't know how to swim. And I don't think in this London I can swim because the cold there. But right now it's summer. But this summer sometimes the sun will be shining in the morning by like 2 o'clock. It's very cold. So I don't think I'll be swimming anytime soon. Maybe when I'm used to the system. When is your birthday? July 9, guys. Tomorrow, guys. Are you in a relationship? Yes, I'm in a relationship. Yep. Someone said, I only want Thames. Talking about your lifestyle, let's start with your childhood memories. Okay, I was giving birth in Ijebu-Ode, Ogun State. I spent like 3 years or 4 years there. So before my grandmom came to pick me up in Ijebu-Ode, then we moved to Lagos, Shomolu area, Market Street. I was not living with my grandma, but when I got to Lagos, it was really embarrassing because the only language I could speak was Ijebu. I could not speak English, and the children in my compound were always laughing at me because they were always speaking English and I was always speaking Ijebu. It was really bad if I could cope and everything, but now I can't even speak the Ijebu anymore. But I understand it, but I can't just speak it. So my childhood was not really fun because when I got to Lagos, I had to start blending. I was shy. I was not able to talk really well because I don't want people to know that, oh, I have this Ijebu accent in my voice and stuff like that. So that's my childhood. So I was with my grandmom till she died. So when she died, I had to move back to my parents' house. And they're already in Lagos, so... used to relate to your childhood friends. Like I said, my childhood was not really... I can't really remember anybody, but I know that I went to St. Anthony Junior and Primary School in Ijebu-Ode. And I went to Zana Northern Primary School in Shomolu. And I only remember one babe from my school, Desola. I don't know if she remembers me. I don't know how she looks like, but I know she's light in complexion. That's all. I don't know. I really do not know. I'm really sorry. What do I like doing? I just said I like hanging out with my friends. I like talking to them and all. Do you like playing in... I don't know what that is. I don't know what the person's trying to say. So I basically just moved away. Okay, I'm a graduate of Babcock University. I studied computer science. I got a 2-1. I'm supposed to do my master's very soon, but it's a lot. The money is a lot. So right now I'm just taking it on a break, trying to work and stuff like that. And I work 5 times in a week. So if you are my friend, I'm not reaching out to you. I'm sorry. And if I'm reaching out to you, please take it really important because I work 5 times in a week. 12 to 12, guys. 12 to 12, like 12 hours. 12 hours every day. Apart from 2 days that are free. And 2 days are not even weekend. So don't blame me, I beg. I need money. If you give me money, even me, I'll collect it. So basically, that's the basic things about me. And those are the questions you guys sent in. I cannot answer some of those other questions because I'm going to make other videos concerning them, so I'll just leave them till next video or when the time comes, when it's my schedule, because I made schedules for the videos I'll be making and things I'll be doing. So guys, tomorrow is my birthday, guys. I don't know, I'm so excited. Like, it's a big deal for me, please. Yes, it's a big deal. If you know me, I take my birthday really important. I take events really important, like important events in my life, special events. I take them important because my mommy made sure that, oh, we appreciate one another when anybody's doing anything in my house. So I'm expecting gift from those guys, so please, because it's my turn. It's time for you guys to spoil me. I need to be spoiled. And I'm grateful for you guys for coming to watch this my video. Like, this thing is not easy. You're talking on camera. But I'm not going to give up. Like somebody said, don't give up. Tell me, just do you. Just do whatever you want to do. Just be excited. So you guys, please try to subscribe, leave a comment, like it, please share to your friends, and I hope to see you next time. Cheers.